Yeah, so I've just done this little video to show where the mini saw had sheared off the drive for the belt. I literally unpacked it, cut two pieces of quarter square wood just to try it, then went back to turn it on and the drive went. I thought it was a belt that had gone, and with the package you do get a spare belt, so I thought I'd dismantle it and put a new belt on. Anyway, once I've opened it up, I've seen that the drive had actually sheared off. It looks like it's just cast steel, iron, and probably faults in the casting, I should think. But yeah, sheared straight off. Within 30 seconds of starting it up for the second time. So yeah, I'm not exactly impressed, and at the moment I'm sending photographs and videos back and forth to China, to Banggood. I'm hoping that their customer service will get it sorted quickly, but I will do a follow-up to this video and we'll see just how good Banggood are when it comes to a defective item. So keep watching, subscribe, hit the bell and you'll get a reminder, and you'll see if I get anywhere with customer service. Catch you later, bye. Right, so I have the mini bench saw, which I turned on for 30 seconds or so and thought the belt had gone. The belt just sits in here, and the belt, there's a spare belt there with the teeth. However, when I took the motor out to replace the belt, I found that this here, this piece here, had come off of here, and it had just snapped off. It's broken. It's a very poor design, and whether or not there's a problem with the steel, I don't know, but that would go on there if you look, and it's just snapped completely off, which drives the belt in there. So, not happy. 30 seconds it was running just to be broken. Not good. Very, very poor quality. Probably a defect in the casting, or yeah, there you go. Put some lights on. Right, so yeah, that's the motor. That's, oh, I can get it. So this is sheared off there, and now the wiring is awful, absolutely awful. As you can see, it's bloody dangerous, really. Anyway, that's where it's come out of, and now Banggood are asking for the SKU number and the packaging details, so that's for their record. And look at this, new design. Maybe they should go back to the old design. And here is a picture. So it's this piece here that has failed. just there, that piece. So yeah, not great, not chuffed. And now I'm going to have to battle with them to return my money or whatever. Yeah, so there you go. The mini bench saw. Avoid.